Hi, you guys. So I have another kit box opening. I just tore the labels off and mostly opened it so that it is easy. Um, this kit is not available yet. The pre-order did just open up. And so you guys can pre-order this baby right now from Trueborns, or Natalie Scholl directly on her website, and I'll put the links to those in the description. This is like an early artist release with the prototype kits. And let's just see her paperwork in here. This is her COA. And this is information about Natalie Scholl. She I mean, it's about her. I'm not going to read it online because I don't want people to see what it is as far as unsavory people. But it is a brand new authenticity tracking system for the kits just to help cut down on fakes. Here is Natalie's business card. And so this kit, I can't remember if I just said it or not, is Everleigh Gwen. And let me just go ahead. She has a body that is signed, I'm sure. Yes, it is signed by Natalie. And here is her head. She has a little sticking out bottom lip there. And let's just see her limbs here. She has open hands, which you know I always love. And her vinyl looks very, very nice so far. I really love the color. It is a very nice neutral color. It's not too orange. And I just love her open hands. They're great. She has froggy legs. And her legs are fused into that position, so you don't need to like heat and bend them in anymore or anything. Here are her little feet and toes. Oh, I love her toes. I was just talking about this in another video, how I wish more sculptors would do open toes, and all of her toes on both feet are open, like absolutely amazing. But all right, that is little Everleigh, and I can't wait for you guys to see my version.